Just days after testifying at the Madlanga Commission, witness D, Marius Vlam van der Merwe, has been shot dead in front of his own family. SAPS has now confirmed the tragic news, and South Africa is in shock.
In the kitchen, I found Kersha Lee's tools, searching the cupboards. I walked out of the house and stood on the steps. A short while later, I walked back into the kitchen and found Kersha Lee on her phone. She ended the call and shouted for everyone to move outside into the yard and went towards the second bedroom. As I moved towards the door, I noticed two unknown Brakpan SAPS members leaving the house in haste. One of them was carrying a small black sports bag. I exited the house. I was joined outside in the garden next to the truck by Kobus and the others. Shortly after this, DeAndre and Kersha Lee joined us. I asked whether a suspect talked, and DeAndre responded that he will never ever talk again. A discussion between the law enforcement members then took place as to how to deal with the scene. Kersha Lee tried phoning a paramedic to declare the suspect dead. DeAndre approached me and informed me that he will phone General Feroz Khan to fix this. I in turn responded and said no, as this is DeAndre's problem. He responded and said it's all of us in this, and if anyone talks, he will go to prison for killing them. I walked away from DeAndre, as myself and DeAndre have had issues in the past. I saw Yaku Hanekom walking towards us. Yaku then informed myself and DeAndre that the chief will come and sort out the issue. I noticed John Marie Eksteen, Zanner Fritz and other members leading, including Kobus Jansen van Rensburg from Gouwesgard, to go and look for a firearm to plant at this house.
Apologies, Witness D, you say that and sort out the issue. Do you know who he was referring to when he said the chief?
Commissioners, at that stage, I did not know who he was referring to. And as continued in my statement, I walked to the main gate after this was said, and after I noticed the members that I've mentioned walk away to go and get a firearm to plant.
Yes.
I walked to the main gate of the property and saw that my vehicle, which is a Ford Ranger, black in color, marked, was parked in by two marked NPD vehicles, which prevented me from leaving.